Yeah, Buddha blessings. Hey, back it out west, slang it out west. Go metallic knife.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bella. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you can see future videos and like previous videos. So if you could tell by the title, well duh, you clicked on it. But I'll be showing you guys how to make a live wallpaper. So this seems to be the easiest, user-friendliest app that I found possible. And I just want to share it with you guys. So I'm going to be doing it on my phone, and then I'll post it so you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to go step by step, by the way. So I'm using an app called Pick Pay Post. It looks like this. And when you start, you're going to click on New Project. You're going to click on Create a Movie or Slideshow. And you're going to choose the third option on the first column. Most people choose the first one, but I find the third one to be easier, so that's what I'm going to go with. So I'm going to click the blue arrow and add my media, and I'm going to do full screen. I've already put the stuff that I wanted in a album, so I'm just going to go straight to that album so I don't have to go through all my pictures on camera or anything like that. And I'm going to select them because these are the ones I'm going to use. This is what I want first. Here, 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 here. And that's all I'm going to do. So you're going to click next and they're all going to upload. I wanted to do mine picture, video, so on and so forth. I'm actually going to take off my transitions as well. You may like them. I don't. I just want them to go straight to the next video or picture. So I'm going to take those off really fast. And then after you've done with that, you're going to click Save and Share. You're going to continue with the watermark because without the watermark you have to pay, and it's not that deep for me to pay for it. And then I'm going to save it to my camera roll. I'm going to save it as a live photo or wallpaper. Then it's going to be rendering for a little while. And this is the perfect time to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Or hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Okay, so it's done. And I'm going to go to my photos. I'm going to click it. And then I am going to use as wallpaper. I'm going to set it how I like. And then I'm going to push set as lock screen. Now when I lock my phone, it's going to turn off this video. So I'm going to bring the video back up in just a second. And here we are, our live video slideshow on our wallpaper. Isn't that easy? Easy to show off your grandkids, your kids, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, anything like that. Anybody could do it. I think this is so cute. And I just wanted to share it with y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that was easy for you guys to follow along with. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And be on the lookout for my next video. Thanks for watching.